The province of Ifugao is a part of the Luzon Island Group in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR. It is composed of 0 cities, 11 municipalities, and 176 barangays. The 11 municipalities comprising the province of Ifugao are the following: the municipality of Aguinaldo, which is composed of 16 barangays; the municipality of 𝗪𝗡𝗪𝗪, which is composed of 20 barangays; the municipality of 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗓, which is composed of 10 barangays; the municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗪𝗓, which is composed of 18 barangays; the municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗓𝗢𝗡, which is composed of 12 barangays; the municipality of 𝗓𝗓𝗢𝗓𝗢, which is composed of 9 barangays; the municipality of 𝗖𝗟𝗔𝗦𝗦, which is composed of 14 barangays; the municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗪𝗪𝗓, which is also the provincial capital or the provincial center, is composed of 20 barangays; the municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗪𝗓𝗢, which is composed of 18 barangays; the municipality of 𝗪𝗟𝗪𝗪𝗓, which is composed of 27 barangays; and the municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗏𝗏, which is composed of 12 barangays. Once again, the 11 municipalities comprising the province of Ifugao are the following: the municipality of Aguinaldo, municipality of 𝗪𝗡𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, municipality of 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, municipality of 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, municipality of 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, municipality of 𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗓𝗏, municipality of 𝗖𝗟𝗔𝗦𝗦, municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, municipality of 𝗪𝗓𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, municipality of 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, and the municipality of 𝗓𝗪𝗏𝗡. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Ifugao in the Cordillera Administrative Region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.